Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to install our console app that we just built as a global tool so we can invoke it from any terminal and any folder from your computer. So to do this, we're not going to write any code because we are done with writing code. All we need to do is add some extra configuration to the CS_proj file. So we just need to put these 3 lines in here, which I've already done. So it's basically saying package this application as a tool, and you want to set it to true so that it knows that when it's packing up, it's packed as a tool. And what do you want to call this tool as? I'm calling it as xRate because it's a cooler name and short compared to exchange rate. And I want to output this into a folder called ./nupkg. So now to create this NuGet package, so NuGet package is just a glorified a zip file that has all your application related things such as DLLs and its dependencies and whatnot. It knows about the framework that you're targeting and all that. So to do that, you can just do .NET pack, and this should create a new folder in here, says nupkg, inside which we have the new file called xrate.1. So this is the NuGet package. So let's examine this one. I have a utility called NuGet package explorer. So I'm going to say open a local package, and I'm going to go into this folder. So I'm going to copy this, open here, open the NuGet package. As you can see, all it is just a zip file. There is some extra metadata in here. It says what is the ID of this, what is the version, what is the description, who's the author, and whatnot. Now, but all the important thing is if you're inside this tools, just expand these folders and see it's targeting the .NET 5 framework, and then it has all the things that it needs to run as an application. It has this xrate.dll, which is the important thing. This is our application basically compiled, and that's pretty much what it is. So going back, now we have created that file. It's still not available as a global tool, so we need to install this as a global tool. So to do that, .NET has a command. So it says .NET tool install. So you want to do this globally. So do a -- global will make it a global install. So this is the trick that's gonna help you invoke this tool from anywhere in your computer. And then you can say where you want to read this from. So add source. This is your source for your NuGet package. So you want to say ./nupkg and probably xRate, I'm guessing. Okay, so this now says you can invoke this tool using the following command: xRate tool xRate was successfully installed. This looks good. So now let's invoke it. xRate USD to GBP. I don't even know where this. There you go. It does exist, and our application is getting the value. So you can also do INR, and you get the right value here. So now you can see that this console app that we just built can be accessed from anywhere. So that means that, let me open my terminal here. So I'm going to open a new Windows terminal. This is using bash. So this is not bash, this is PowerShell. Let me also create a command prompt, and then as long as I'm inside the computer, it can access this global tool. So xRate USD to INR. There you go. It works in PowerShell. xRate USD to GBP works in command prompt as well. There you go, guys. We have built a console application, a useful one that gets the currency's exchange rate based on the input that you provide. You don't need to open your browser. You don't need to go anywhere. As long as you have a terminal, you can always invoke this tool from anywhere in your computer. Then you get the value right there. Thank you, guys. Bye.